What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview comparison of 6 of the most powerful and popular POS or point of sale systems. So let's get right to it. First we have Square, which is probably one of the most popular free to use POS systems that you can use on your business, whether you have a retail store or a restaurant or any type of business. You can use Square POS to collect payments from your customers. So here is the homepage, so that's squareup.com, and you can view some of the features of the platform here. You have they give you hardware, and you have the POS system itself or the software. You can get secure payments anywhere and even online. So what they do is actually they give you the software for free, and you have to pay for the hardware. So let's take a look here at their pricing. So here you have the free plan. You can sell in person, online, or over the phone. So there is no fees here. And you can get advanced features specifically for your retailer or business for 29 plus a month. That depend on your like features that you can include. And you have the premium plan, which is custom payment, so you have to contact sales to they see what you want and they will determine the price accordingly. So that was the Square, and they have flexible hardware solutions. So they have multiple hardware solutions. They have the Square Register and the Square Stand and the Square Terminal, which you can take with you anywhere, and each with their prices, or you can pay by installment, like the Square Register is $7.99, or you can pay $39 over 24 months. So you can go over to their website and view their frequently asked questions and get help in order to determine if it is right for you. And moving on, we have the PayPal point of sale system. Now, PayPal is a popular payment website that you can use to collect payments from your customers or send and receive money. However, this service, the point of sale service, is designed for your business. So here as well, you can get a hardware, or you can design your own payment solution. Here, you can go to paypal.com/us/business/POS-system, and you can take contactless payment on your phone. You can get a flexible card reader and all-in-one terminal. So here it depends on the PayPal Digital app, which is a new service offered by PayPal. So here, as you can see, you can also customize your POS system with all the hardware that they offer, and you will also get statistics and all kinds of data about your payments. So PayPal is another very popular method, and you can use PayPal POS system to accept most payment types, such as MasterCard, Visa, the contactless payment, and the Google Pay, US Samsung Pay, Apple Pay, and other services. So moving on, you have here Loiverse. So Loiverse is probably one of the most feature-rich platforms out there, and it is open source as well. So anyone can modify the platform to match their needs here. So you can use Loiverse for any type of business that you want, and here you can use it also on your tablet, on your phone, the POS on your phone, and so on, and you can collect payment through multiple payments gateways such as credit card, and also you have many payment methods, and you have inventory management as well as sales analytics and many other services, and you can also use it for employee management and CRM and customer loyalty and many more features. So this was like a quick overview of Loiverse, and they offer you many products here: Loiverse point of sale, Loiverse back office, and so much more. So taking a look at their pricing, you have Loiverse point of sale and dashboard, kitchen display, and customer display absolutely free. And here you can pay extra if you want these add-ons. So employee management, advanced inventory integrations, each with their price. So you can decide which is better for you. Now, the next one on the list is eHopper. eHopper is most similar to Loiverse in that it is like complicated and probably the most one of the most feature rich and not so easy to use. They are not difficult to use, but there are many systems that are easier. However, eHopper is a great solution that offers cloud-based POS platforms, and the prices are low, and they offer you free card processing, ring up sales with ease, and so much more. And you can also use eHopper on multiple devices and platforms such as their divide their hardware, an Android POS, a Windows POS, or a Point POS. So here you can use it for restaurants, as you can see here, and you get a video. You can watch a video of the platform in use. So let's take a look also at their pricing. So clicking on the prices here, you have like per month or per year. You have omni-channel and processing. That's $0 per month. That's free. You have omni-channel software plan for retail, restaurant, or professional business. So this is $29.99, and you have the essentials, which is free as well. So you can compare also the features to know which is best for you. So I'm sorry, the omnichannel and processing is $0 because it's not free, because you have to contact the sale in order to customize your experience, and they have like a 100% discount right now, so it's displayed as $0 per month. So now moving on to Helsium. Helsium is probably one of the best platforms that you can use if you have a retail store or a retail business. So here you can also use it on a tablet, and you can view here your experience, and they also have their hardware terminal to collect payments, and they accept credit cards with the standalone terminal, which is $349. And they give you can view it on your desktop, use it on desktop, use it on tablet, use it on a mobile phone with their hardware. So that's a pretty cool feature. Also, if you compare the prices, so let's take a look at the prices. You can view their rates here. So they have their rates. You can calculate your rate to find out your custom rate here. And they give you an overview of your savings as well. So they also give you the software for free, and you have to pay extra for their terminal. So you have the card reader and you have the smart terminal, each with their price, and you get their fees as well. Now, the last one on our list is Toast. And as the name suggests, it is the best one for restaurants. So if you have a restaurant or a cafe business, this is probably one of the best ones that you can use as well. So Toast here, let's go to the home page. They give you also the option to collect payments for your cafe, your fast food, your pizzeria, and your food truck. So, and also your bar, and you have the point of sale. You have contactless ordering, handhelds, online ordering and delivery, and so much more. So here you have the pay-as-you-go plan, you have the roast plan, and you have the enterprise plan. Each, of course, you can view the prices and the services offered by each of them. So this was like a quick overview of these 6 popular POS platforms and their features.